With all those muscles, you couldn't hold yourself up.
Yes, I know.
So
Like SpongeBob, they're not really muscles, it's inflatable. I let them out at night.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to go to Magic Kingdom, and it's going to be lots of fun. Amanda will be joining us a little bit later. After that, I think we're going to go to Epcot because tonight I think they have a Halloween party. So about to meet up with my parents now, and we'll head over to Magic Kingdom. We're here and it's raining. Looks like it's about to stop. It should be stopping for the rest of the day. It's going to be a cloudy day. We're going to take the train over to Splash because we don't want to walk in this rain. I don't know if you can see. Maybe there you go. So it's raining pretty heavy now. So we're going to take the train over.
Now arriving from a grand circle tour around the Magic Kingdom. All passengers stand by to board.
I know this thing is slippery.
We finally got one of the Ziploc bags. So I got one for Amanda as well because she's not here right now. Ziploc bags. So counterproductive with Disney's plastic conservation initiative, but you know, it's all great. Are you guys ready to get soaked?
I got my jacket on.
We're in the very back though, so probably won't get much. Maybe the water cannons? I don't know. That missed us.
Jolly Jumbo, pretty good Jolly Jumbo.
They have those little things put right in the right place. Just like
How do you do? Mighty pleasant greeting. How do you do? Say it when you meet.
I always just do it so the people in the back can get it behind me.
I didn't get anything. You got the front of the water?
I did.
Because I didn't get anything at all. We're on our way to Casey's Corner now. We might stop at Pirates depending on the line. They've made some changes to the tiki room queue, so no more of the straw on the roof. I don't know how long this has been, as well as they've gotten rid of some of the plants that kind of block the view. Looks nice. We got Casey's. We all got the exact same thing. We actually got our order really fast. We were able to find a little spot. But the seating, I mean, it is like 12 o'clock. But the seating over there near Casey's is completely filled up and people are waiting. But if you come over here next to the plaza, there's like tons of seating. So this is a good spot. We got done with lunch at Casey's. It was so good. It was very filling.
Yes, it was.
And for $8.99 you get the corn dog nuggets and fries. So I think that's the better deal there. They do have like a foot-long hot dog, which is like $15. I mean, but if you share it with a person, that's like, you know, $7.50, $8 a person. So it might be worth it. But we're on our way to Haunted Mansion now, which is Dad's personal favorite. Well, besides Splash Mountain.
Besides Splash Mountain.
But Haunted Mansion.
The tiki room one, they've got mansion.
I am your host, your ghost host.
So we're waiting so everybody can leave because the gargoyles, they say get out and stuff. So I've either never heard it before or it's new, but to have a spill this. That's kind of quiet here, but it's basically telling you how to get into the dune buggy and sit down. And there's like a Spanish version as well. Pretty interesting.
Sickness and in well.
Every size, scream!
We just got off Haunted Mansion, so that was a lot of fun.
Yes, it was.
So we're about to do Big Thunder, but first, I thought of a question that might help you guys. So I'm asking my parents. So they come to Disney. We've grown up going to Disney over the years. I mean, come once, sometimes twice a year. So coming from someone that's experienced going to the parks, each of you, what's one advice that you would give to someone who's coming to the parks for the first time?
I would make sure that you stay on site. That way you can take the buses over and don't have to stay all day. You can go back, rest with the kids, then come back in the evening.
Because they will get ornery after a few hours.
Yes. Don't try to do the park try to do the park all in one day. Make sure you just split it up. You don't have to do it all in one day. Get your fast passes ahead of time before you come.
Yeah.
If at all possible, come with someone who has been here before, because if you don't, it's a very, very large place and you waste a lot of time looking at maps and kids screaming. So if at all possible, always come with somebody who's been here many times.
Yeah. And mine is going to touch on Mom's, which is Fast Pass. So now we have the My Disney Experience app. So if you've been here, 6-7 years ago, things are a lot different now in the parks. So if you come here now, you can have, they have the app called My Disney Experience, and you can put everything on there, your hotel reservations, your dining reservations. You can shop, you can do mobile orders for food, which is actually very helpful, as well as Fast Pass. So if you're staying at a Disney resort, I think you get like 90 days in advance, something like that. I'll have to find out the actual number, but you get really far in advance to book your Fast Passes, which is something you definitely should look into. Get the Fast Passes. My advice for Fast Passes is to get the ones that, first of all, you want to get bigger rides. The rides that usually have the longer queues, but also maybe rides that you really want to do that their queue is all outside. Because if it's hot, you don't want to be standing out in the sun all day for those. So, like for example, for Big Thunder, it's one of the bigger attractions. The whole queue is covered, but it's outside, it's hot. So I'd always Fast Pass that. Whereas like Space Mountain, if I can't get a Fast Pass for that, while the line might be long, it's all inside and it's all in the AC. So get your Fast Passes as soon as possible, as well as looking into the queues and where you're going to be spending most of your time.
I do.
All the different diseases.
The Mountain Big Thunder's posting 25 minutes, which is even better. So hopefully that stays accurate. We'll see. So usually Amanda and I pick a number for what train we're gonna get. So you can pick 1 through 6. So what number?
3.
What number, Dad? 5. I'm gonna say 6. So we'll see. Watch train 3. So who said 3?
I did.
You did? You're wrong. Already. This is train 3. It's not going to come back around.
I said 5.
You said 5 and I said 6. So we'll see. My favorite part is when it slams on the brakes. Watch everyone. It was 2. We all lost. It was 2. We didn't get it. You ready?
I'm ready.
No, I did. We got off Big Thunder. So much fun.
Yeah.
We got shaking around.
Yes.
Mostly Dad.
Yes.
With all those muscles, you couldn't hold yourself
Yes, I know.
up. So
Like SpongeBob, they're not really muscles. It's inflatable. I let them out at night.
it was a lot of fun. So now we are on our way to do The Little Mermaid. And then we're going to go do Space Mountain, which we have Fast Pass for later. And then we're going to probably head back to the room and relax. Taking some of our own advice, going back and relaxing before we go to Epcot later. Because what are you guys wanting to see later?
Starship.
Ooh, Starship.
So Epcot for Food and Wine has tons of different bands each weekend. And to be honest, this year they've gotten a lot of really good quality bands. As you guys have seen in our previous videos, like we've seen Simple Plan, we saw Play My Tees. They've had, I mean, just all kinds of really good artists. Not even just my generation of music. So we're gonna go over there for them later on. We're gonna have some fun. But first, Little Mermaid.
You feel something?
Except for this morning, I'll say from prayer.
From a
I'm
small
saying after getting in here.
in a wait, my story's not near as interesting as that.
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs?
The flute is the Duke of Soul. The way he can play the lead song, the split of the drum, rocking out the back is the same, the spin and the splat. We know where it's at. I won't have no
Everyone wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true.
poo now, which says it's only a 15-minute wait, so that'd be great if so. And Mom and Dad haven't done Winnie the Pooh in years, so it'll be good to go back and do that. So we still have plenty of time to spare before our Space Mountain Fast Pass. Plenty of time, so we're trying to do this. Maybe go see Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, because that's always good. And I don't know, fill it with something else. We've done a lot already today, and it's just 2:33, and we got here at like 11 o'clock.
Reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear.
Come out with me.
Hooray for Pooh too.
So what are they, Mom?
Heffalumps and woozles.
There you go. She asked 3 times, and the guy, the voice kept saying, Heffalumps and woozles. She said, what?
I couldn't hear them.
Heffalumps and woozles.
Heffalumps and woozles.
So eventually this sight line will change completely, and you'll see a huge futuristic building that houses the Tron roller coaster. That's gonna be really cool. It looks like it might storm in a little bit, but the weather right now is perfect. There's a light breeze, a light constant breeze, and it's what, 78 probably, maybe? It's so nice. That's another thing I suggest as well, is it's hard with schedules and vacation time, but if you can come closer to the fall and winter time, it doesn't get that cold here, and it's not so hot where you're miserable. So like, you can stay on the parks later, you can go longer because you're not so sweaty and so tired. So it's really nice. Like, we've done so much, and we're not hot, we're not tired, because it's been such a nice day.
The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
We're gonna go do Space Mountain now. It's posting a 30-minute wait, though we have fast passes. But it's pretty crazy. It's only a 30-minute wait.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling high-speed turbulent roller coaster type ride and free from high blood pressure, heart rate, neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be.
Okay, so pick a rocket number and pick a side. So Alpha, Omega, and a number. Alpha or Omega, and then a number.
This is Omega. Okay, mine's Alpha 2.
I'm gonna say Omega 25. So let's see.
Okay.
We're going to Omega. So me and Dad have a chance still. Mom only has a chance of getting 50-50. So Dad said number 3. I said 25. What did you say, Mom?
Ready? Said 2.
You said 2? Okay. Let's see. It's 18. We're all wrong. Mom always has the exact same look.
I didn't know until they took the pictures right there at the very first.
Can you just try to do something different next time we run?
I will do my darndest.
We're headed out now. We got a popcorn refill, which is now $2, at least in this area in Tomorrowland, which I think is about right with all the price increases. It was $2 for a popcorn. $2 now instead of $1.75. But we got popcorn. We're gonna head out, and we're going to Epcot later. But we're gonna go back to the room and just kind of relax until then. And by that time, Amanda should be off work and she'll be able to join us. We're at Epcot and it's a Friday night and it's insanely crowded. Our bus coming over was crowded, the line to get in was crowded, or through bag check was crowded, and the line to get in was long. So very, very, very busy. But it is a Friday night, weekend, so a lot of people are here for that. So that's why. Example number 1, spaceship wrap sign.
So she can't.
And it wraps on the other side as well. So Amanda stopped here at the Coastal Eats, which is at the next Eats Pavilion. To show you where we're at. Here's the Light Lab. The pub pool is straight ahead as well. So over here, there's Imagination. So what did you get?
I got the baked shrimp scampi dip.
And you've had this before. You had it last year.
I had it before. It's
You
very
loved
good.
it.
Yeah. It is $5.75.
Give it a try. Good? On point? So we have to make a stop where?
At the Chocolate Studio.
Yes. What are you getting?
You'll see.
Right. We got it again. So what exactly is it?
It's a liquid nitrogen chocolate almond truffle.
And it's our absolute favorite here. It's $5, so it's more than last year. But it's so good. So what is it exactly for people that don't know?
It's almost like a chocolate ice cream, kind of. So you take it like a chocolate truffle, and then you drop it into liquid nitrogen, and you pull it out, and it's got caramel and almonds on it.
Ooh. So we're at the front of Caribbean Beach. This is Banana Cabana. So it's right over here by the pool. You can actually see the pool behind us. So yeah, we have the pool behind us. It's right here, really close. So Amanda and I got 2 different drinks to try. Something I've never had mine. She's never had hers, or vice versa. So what'd you get?
I got the Blue Point Mad Seed Lager. It's a watermelon lager.
Are you excited for it? And he said it's really fruity, so that's right up our alley. And I got the Red Stripe. We also have the fireworks in the background, so it's illuminations. It's pretty close to us. It's a pretty nice area. Yeah. And Amanda liked hers, and I really liked it. So it's a nice evening.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We hope you had as much fun watching it as we did making it. Make sure you subscribe here for more fun videos.
And don't forget to check out the previous video, which is right here. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter and any other social media we have. We'll put the links below for that. Thanks again for watching.